Welcome to Lumea.
Tips and tricks. Preparation stage. Prior to removing the visible hair before your very first IPL treatment, take a good look at the body area you're going to treat. Where is the hairline? Where does your hair start and stop? After all, there is no point treating skin that's never had any hair growth. After shaving, waxing or epilating, double check you've properly removed all the hair and check for small skin irritations. You'll need to remove any missed hairs and let your skin heal before you start the treatment. Treatment guidance. Before you start, plan your route and consider dividing the body area into sections. You know your body the best. Use visible muscle and bones to mentally divide the treatment area into smaller sections. For example, your leg can be divided into the following sections: around the knee, just above the ankle, or your calf muscle. By doing this, you can focus on the small parts instead of the full treatment area at once. Perhaps start your lower leg treatment at your ankle. Then move vertically up your shin, flashing to the left and right of the bone. Finally, treat your knee, feet, or toes. Decide in advance how you can maximize the skin contact. For instance, your ankle is narrow, so you might want to rotate the device so that the attachment window lines up vertically. Depending on the shape of the area you want to treat, it might be easier to apply the flashes in specific patterns. Popular moves include vertical strokes along the leg, horizontal circles around the leg, or a combination of both. You can do a practice run without flashing to get familiar with the treatment techniques. Missed spots. During your treatment, it can happen that the distance between the flashes is too large, causing some parts of your skin to remain untreated, also called missed spots. This means that on those parts of the skin, you will still have hair growth. Take a good look at the front of your attachment and notice the rim around the light exit window. Only the skin directly underneath the light exit window will get treated. To make sure you're not missing any spots with each flash, the light exit window needs to end up right next to where it was during the previous flash. Here's a tip to help you achieve this. Your index finger is about the same width as the light exit window. Between flashes, place your index finger on your skin next to the attachment and move your finger up or down to line up your next flash. Use the width of your index finger as a reference for how much you need to move the device.